Practice question number 1. We have the cubic root of 64, and we're subtracting the square root of 9. Okay, I can rewrite the cubic root of 64. I can rewrite it as 64 to the power of 1/3. Because the cubic root of anything is just anything to the power of a third. Okay, and we're just subtracting the square root of 9. If you want, you can also rewrite the square root as the power of half. That might be helpful, actually. Okay, so 64. Let's break this number down. Let's prime number factorize it. 64 divided by 2 is 32. Divided by 2 is 16. Divided by 2, we get 8. Divided by 2, we get 4. And finally, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 64, you see 6 2's over here. So 64 is just 2 to the power of 6. And we have that to the power of 1/3. Okay, now what can we do with this? Every time that we have an exponent, parentheses, and another exponent here, we can actually just multiply the exponents. 6 times 1/3 is just 2. Why is that? Because 6 is just 6 over 1. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. So, we just get 2 to the power of 2. Of course, this 2 came from here. 6 times 1/3. Now we're just subtracting. Now the square root of 9, we already know is 3. But I'm going to take just the same intermediate step, just so that it makes sense. We know that 9 is just 3 squared. Right? 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 9 is just 3 squared. And now, since we have an exponent to another exponent, we can multiply them. 2 times 1/2 is just 2 over 2, which is 1. So that's how we get the 3 with the square root of 9 if we want to use the same method. Now 2 squared is 4 minus 3 gives us 1. So the answer is B. That's it.